Hey folks, it's Redsquadron4 here for random box break number 38. That's a box of 2011-12 Panini Prime. And again, 5 of the teams had to be auctioned off. We'll just run through this. I'm not going to read them all out. I read this out to everybody who was in the random yesterday, but I'll go nice and slow so you can pause the video where necessary to write down your teams. All of the unpurchased teams have been purchased. So if you are a person who bought an unpurchased team, did not know where all the other teams were because they were done randomly, and the 5 that were posted were not purchased. So the time is actually 1 in the morning, 27th of December. And here we have our box. Serial number. We'd like to wish everybody all the best. Good luck. Hope we get a really nice card or 2 or 3. The first card, sorry, I'm just going to get these set up just to put them on there, is for the Pittsburgh Penguins, the base card out of 249, Marc-Andre Fleury, the Pittsburgh Penguins. Next, we have a prime time rookie, massive jersey, Ryan Johansson, the Columbus Blue Jackets. You will notice, unfortunately, that at the top there, you can see in the video the folds on the video. And just up here at the top, you can see that it's hard to see, but the jersey has slipped a little bit. So I apologize for that on behalf of Panini. Number 13 of 99. Perhaps they can send you a new one. There we go, folks. Beautiful namesakes. Number 12 of 75 for the Buffalo Sabres autograph. This is Cody Hodgson. And there are 75 cards of this type. That's not 75 O's and 75 H's. There are 75 cards. So that's a great looking piece. Very nice. For the Ottawa Senators, wow, a Colin Greening, Stefan DaCosta, number 12 of 25, prime combos. All 3 of the letters are 3 colors, as you can see. The S is a little tiny bit of white. Very, very nice. And we have ourselves a random for the next card between 4 teams. Number 65 of 75. A gold prime quads. This is between Mario Lemieux, Steve Yzerman, Joe Sakic, Chris Pronger. This is going to be random, therefore, between Pittsburgh, Detroit, Colorado, and Philadelphia. We have a prime rookie, Simon Dupré, on-card autograph. You can see the prime. I believe this is a holo gold. This is a very different from what I'm used to seeing. 21 out of 50. Definitely you can see the refractor in this and in the corner. Wow, great looking card. And lastly, Edmonton Oilers, not the card you were necessarily looking for, but Ryan Smith, number 79 of 249. So bear with me while I get the random set up. So, Pittsburgh, Detroit, Colorado, and Philadelphia. We're going to randomize this 3 times. Whichever team is in the number 1 position after 3 randomizations will receive the card. 1, 2, and lastly, the Detroit Red Wings. So the person with the Detroit Red Wings will receive this. Thanks everybody for your participation and for your patience with this break, and a whole bunch of them are up right now, and we'll hope to see you all again soon. Have a great New Year's.